Hello friends and dear students, welcome everyone to this video about how toppers make perfect study timetable. We know that proper planning is very important to achieve best results in exams. Perfect timetable for students shows at what time an academic activity as well as the daily life activities should happen in order to get the top grades in exams. Study activities can be planned weekly, monthly, or yearly according to the requirements and available time period. For each academic activity, the starting time and the ending time should be specified. Now I will explain the tips to make the perfect study timetable. First, make a list of the things to be done according to your requirements, the class level, the learning ability, the total available time, and your free hours in a day. Include all your daily activities in your schedule. Reserve time for non-academic activities also. After having the list of the to-do things ready, prioritize the things that are urgent or important. Divide your tasks according to your available time, interest, as well as the subject complexity and importance. Consider the short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals may include preparing for a test within a week or making an academic presentation within 2 days. For such projects, make short timetable. Long-term goals might include achieving top grades in the board exams or winning a gold medal in a competitive exam. For achieving the long-term goals, make weekly and monthly goals in order to get the best final results. Find the remaining time to achieve a goal. The study timetable can be prepared at the start of the academic year or in the middle of the academic year or in a short period of time before the exams. Find how many days, weeks or months are available. How much time should be devoted to each subject. Students can add exercises and hobbies between the study periods which are best to keep them active and energetic throughout the day. Choose one topic to study at one time. Set a timer for about 20 to 25 minutes. During this time period, give full attention to the topic. After this, take a short break. Now continue studying the topic, taking these short breaks until you finish. Make the timetable well organized and interesting. Keep your timetable in a place that you can see every day. Thus, proper planning using perfect timetable will definitely help the students to excel in all the exams. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Best wishes to all. Thank you. Have a nice day.